SLO 3.2.2 Set Guides. So what are GIMP guides? The GIMP guides, horizontal and vertical guides, help you position images or parts of images precisely. So how do you actually view those guides? First you need to have your rulers. So you go to View and you go to Show Rulers. Without that you can't actually have the guides coming up. And then you click here inside this ruler and then you bring down these rulers horizontally or vertically. So guides appear as non-printing lines that float over the image. So when you print this image, or when you continue working on it, those guides are not going to appear. You can move and remove guides. So you can move them or remove them. You can go here, so View, and then Show Guides, and then untick it, they'll just disappear. So why do we have these guides? You can guides help you line up the various objects or items. So if you add some text here and then maybe some text at the bottom, and you want to line it up to this line, you use the guides. So there's actually a second method to set the guides. You go to Image, Guides, and you go New Guide by %, new guides from selection, or remove all guides. So new guide by percentage, you could have it horizontal or vertical, and then you set a percentage here. So vertical 50% will be in the middle. So OK. And I'm going to add one image guides by %, and I'm going to do it horizontal. So this point here where the vertical and horizontal meet, that is the middle of your picture. And here as well. So it's quite useful at times to have the middle of your picture for alignment. You can also set your guides from selection, and that's actually using the amount of pixels. Just a word about pixels. Your image here says 0, so the top left corner is 0 and 0. And then your image measurement increases this way and it increases from 0 to this way, as you can see. That is for any kind of graphics that you're using, it's going to be like that. Or also in web design, your measurements start here, top left corner. So if you want to have a guide at, let's say, 500 here and at 500 there, there's actually one there already. Okay, 500 here and 1000 over here, you can do that. So you go View, Image, Guide, New Guide. This thing doesn't seem to work, so New Guide, and then you go horizontal 500. Okay, so it was there already. And then Image, Guides, New Guide, we go vertical and we do 500 as well, so there's a new one there. So where these two meet, that's 500 in both ways, horizontally and vertically, and that's the new point.